bad storm last night, and see, it's really windy right now. Yeah. And I just hope that it doesn't get too bad. You see, there's a big puddle. And another puddle. Yeah. Yeah, the wind's coming from the south right now. We're in the middle of between a band and another band of rain. So there's a partial sun, but it's not going to last too long. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this wind has like breaks in it. It comes 1 second and it's gone the others. So, oh, here it comes again. Yeah, this wind is really strong. Yeah, I'm shaking. The camera's shaking just because, you know, of all the wind. Anyway. Here it comes. Yeah, this wind. Unbelievable. Yeah, it's something above me, and hopefully it won't fall. Anyway, the wind kicks up a little bit of waves in this puddle, but it's not too much. Okay. This is Chris Lee GK Productions on YouTube. Thanks for watching.